doesn't drive the
In Saskatchewan in an old fucking Chevy. With this fucker I picked up. Well, he picked up me. What are we doing, Daniel?
Gotta go buy a truck.
For who?
For myself.
Oh, that's good. The only thing missing, Sammy's not here. What the fuck he did with Sammy?
I don't know. I guess we just left him.
We left Sammy behind. Oh wait, he don't like Chevys. He's a Ford man. That's what we can't take him. That's why. That's why we didn't take him.
Respect went down.
Yeah, you come and pick up a truck with us? He goes, oh, what do you afford? We go, it's a Chevy. He goes, nope, I'm not coming. So, here we are. This is the new guy to the Saskatchewan Prairie boys right here. Another fucking hick hillbilly from middle of nowhere. And then we go pick up a truck. Saskatchewan in a snowy day. I guess we see you when we get there.
Yep.
Okay, what do you think?
Oh, she's pretty loose.
How's the steering?
Slide the seat back.
How's the steering?
Pretty good. A little loose.
Seat's even loose. Everything's loose.
That's what she said.
Look what happened to the shifter. He didn't break it, it's not on that way. You put in four-wheel drive yet?
No.
Gotta test that. There's a hole in the steering corner. Oh, they had a CB in here.
Yeah, I know.
You should ask. Can we have the CB too? Oh, it's pretty nice. Reminds me of my 95. Only difference is a GMC single cab and a 96 and long box single cab. That's the only difference. And it's four-wheel drive. So it's even better than my truck. It's a little work truck. Another single cab Chevy.
That's a Duramax, isn't it? Sure.
Ooh. Got some redneck palisades out here. This looks like fucking Alberta out here. This side looks like Alberta. This side looks like Saskatchewan. Fucking abandoned motels. Well, I think we're gonna make a deal.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's nice. Fucking city of Melville. I don't really want to go to the fucking city, but here I am. Go tape up a tail light. Can you plug it in still? Can you plug it in still? Oh no.
Which one's the where? I don't know.
Just slap them in.
Yeah.
Which one? Why will thing fits in the whatever hole?
That's what she said.
Oh, that thing's running funny.
Yeah, no.
Oh
I
man.
don't think I got a very good deal.
No.
I need a truck, so. There we go.
You sure you got lots of tools in here?
Oh, for fuck's sake. Hopefully I shouldn't need any. You want to drop the TV?
If it drops down. Sweet, all good to go. We get going now.
I just did.
What?
I lost my bill of sale.
What the fuck?
I think it's sitting in a puddle in the parking lot. I hope.
Yeah, we left the truck in a porch back there. Hopefully no one calls the cops saying it's stolen or something, and we're going back to get the bill of sale. Yeah, how the fuck you lose a bill of sale? You should have put that in your glove box or something.
Yeah, I sure should have. Should have just left it on the dash. It blew away.
This is why you go straight to buy plates.
Well, there's nothing open to buy plates.
Yeah, true. We're not doing anything illegal because you left the plates on. So.
Yeah.
So we have to go all the way back to fucking Belleville. We drove, how far you think? 2 miles?
Yeah, 2 miles, solid 2
that's
miles.
Not bad. Where is he? He is right here. I think he found it. You found it?
I found it!
Where was it?
Just laying in the grass.
Yeah.
Here, I'll drive it back.
Okay.
You're a scary driver.
I am?
Yeah, just let it roll. Get it.
Okay. We're a little pissed off and a little no-wheel and fucking start. Got the old screwdriver. Try to fucking talk here. Got the fucking screwdriver in the taillight. What type of fucking fix is that down here?
Oh, that's redneck.
Looks more European to me.
Fuck's sake.
There we go. Just happened. Yeah, just tap it like that. This is a fucking trash truck, eh? It's worse than my fucking Chevy.
My two-tone dash. It smells like mouse shit in here.
Oh yeah, it smells like an old farm truck.
Oh yeah, go smell over there. It smells. It also smells like a frosty mouse shit.
The old aftermarket cigarette fucking cigarette light, cruise control, fucking wiper control, fucking thingy kebab.
Here, I'm gonna drive up there in four-wheel drive and see if she works.
Okay. What the fuck? Oh fuck, this thing's so quiet I can't hear it. Oh, not bad. The old heavy Chevy. Looks like a woman's truck to me. Single cab with the red. That's going into the intro. That's going into the intro.
That's decent.
That's not bad, eh? Okay, well, we see you when we get home, I guess. Well, fuck you, I just passed you! Fuck you! Really? Come on! What are you doing now?
Hooking up my light bar.
You just got the truck.
Yep, and the lights suck.
Okay then.
I'm stabbing a hole in my boot.
So what, the story is we made it home and...
Yup.
We're doing shit.
We made it home and I took it to work and now she's full of mud. Really full of mud.
Puppy dog. Puppy dog.
I took my step away by putting the light bar on. Can't step on it anymore.
Yeah. Okay, guess that's it for this video. Anything else to say? Okay.
Holy shit!
That's not bad in a small fucking box, eh?
Oh, goodness.